Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting LConnect installed and the hub physically connected. Download the latest release, then run the installer as administrator so drivers install cleanly. Once done, plug the case hub into USB and provide SATA power. Windows should enumerate the device. If firmware prompts appear, allow the update. This fixes compatibility. Open LConnect and let it scan for attached fans, pumps, and RGB channels. That initial detection is what lets you control lighting and curves reliably. Now you configure cooling and lighting so hardware responds predictably. First, assign each fan header and select PWM or DC depending on the fans. Choose sensible min and max RPM to avoid stalling. Then create fan curves using CPU and GPU temp sensors. Make gradual slopes for quiet, idle, and faster ramps under load. For lighting, map ARG channels to physical strips or fans, choose effects, and use sync groups to keep colors consistent. Save a named profile so you can switch mode. Finish by saving your final profiles and enabling auto start so settings apply on boot. Export a backup file in case you need to restore or move settings to another system. Check that firmware is current. Reflash only when necessary because interrupted updates cause issues. If the hub or devices are unrecognized, reseat the USB cable and power cables, try a different USB header, or test the unit on another PC to isolate Windows versus hardware problems. That single troubleshooting step solves most connectivity faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.